Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Goswami and this is my YouTube channel Sandeep Goswami Classes. So, as we covered in the first video of the Entrepreneurship Masterclass Chapter 1, the basics, now we are moving to a next chapter of the series, chapter number 2, how to validate your idea. So, let's start the video. There are a lot of people who have ideas to solve problems in every category. But before validating our idea, obviously we have some questions that arise in our mind. For example, is my idea really workable? Will my target audience and consumer find it attractive and wants to join my platform? Can I make a really good business or earn really well in the future? What will happen? What are the outcomes when I apply this idea into the real world? So these are some of the questions which is really common. But before going to the next step, you should write down everything and think carefully about each answer. So when you're done with all your paperwork and you observe that you're on the right path, you can make a strong career and make a really good business with your idea, with your planned future, then the process of validation will begin. So I'll give you an example and make it very simple for you. So as we know, in India, we have many fitness trainers and gym coaches who are highly experienced and they can train people professionally, and also they are certified coaches. But the problem is that they cannot find the right job. Sometimes they don't have a proper stable income as well. The salaries is very low, even though they can train people professionally, but they don't find their target clients. So that is the first side where many fitness trainers wants a platform where they can find some serious clients who wants to train themselves under a professional guidance. And still, there is a big opportunity in the fitness industry to be organized. On the other side, many fitness enthusiasts also need a place where they can get some professional and certified coaches for their personal training. So here we see the opportunity. Number one, fitness trainers and gym coaches want a solution where their target clients will easily approach them and who are willing to pay as well. Number two, and people who like fitness, they also want to connect with those professional and certified coaches who can guide them into the fitness journey through a very trusted platform or an online solution. So this creates a need for a place where both party can come and interact with each other. Now you have an idea that I'll make an application where I can connect both trainers and fitness client, sign up them for a monthly basis, give them premium subscription or benefit, and based on it, I'll make a business from it. So this is a very simple example of how an idea is formed. Now let's talk about, as per our video title, how to validate this idea into the real world. So starts with the gym. Go to the fitness club, fitness center, sports ground where you think you can find those professional experienced coaches. Approach them with your idea, approach them with your plan. Explain it properly that how your solution of making a platform can help them to finding their target clients and how they can generate a very good income source with your platform. Convince them to come on board when it's going to be live, just like pitching your first client. Because at this point you start to see a very clear picture, even your competitor as well. Now, maybe some trainers showing interest, some might be not excited, but you can try to play with the pricing, the instant feature, the premium model, and how much business they can generate with your platform. Now, if you meet 10 trainers and even 5 of them showing interest, that means you have a very good lead. You just need to fix a couple of things. That's it. And take feedback and changes from those as well who were not interested and try to make some significant changes according to them. Maybe the next time they might be your paid users. So that should be your initial approach to meet the first user. Now it's time to meet the second users, the fitness enthusiasts, and you can find them at the same place. Now when you meet some of them, tell them how your fitness platform, its premium feature, can benefit them into their fitness journey and how easily they can find those professional and certified coaches for their personal training and according to their budget, their time and flexibility. And the most important factor for an entrepreneur is the trust feature. You should always keep this in your mind. Now, if most of them like your project, again showing interest because of your convincing approach to them, and they want to sign up with your platform and even ready to pay for a subscription fee, that means you finally found a niche in that specific category. And as I told you in our first video that once you find your niche, then start working on it because that's a very good beginning for you. Now coming to the last part of the video, how to validate your idea into the entrepreneurship event. Okay, so when you know that your both users are agree with your idea and they want to join your platform when it's going to be live, even though you already have a very good retention before launching your application, Now you just need one confirmation or maybe some more improvement about your idea, about your plan, and that confirmation, or you can say the refine of your idea, you will get when you reach to those entrepreneurship event. And in those entrepreneurship event, start with the basic presentation, start with the basic structure, and try to get the feedbacks, questions, reviews from other founders. Maybe some founders will have counter question about your solution, and you have to give those answers. And take everything on a positive note for a constant improvement. Because this is the time when you came out from your ideation stage. By the time as you gain more experience into those entrepreneurship events and expanding your network more into the startup ecosystem, then the feeling or excitement to start your project into the more operational mode or making your own in-house team gives you a validation of the idea. I think you understand my point. So this is a very simple example of how an idea to solve a problem in the fitness category can be validated from meeting with the real users to connect with the founders and get those valuable insights through those entrepreneurship events. Thank you so much. Hey everyone, I hope you like my video of how to validate your idea. If yes, then do subscribe my channel Sandeep Goswami Classes, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow founders.